guys. I've made my way back down to Fort Myers, Florida to fish with a couple friends of mine. We're gonna pop the cork here and do some back bay fishing. Tomorrow we might try and get on a grouper bite, but stick around here and let's see if this is where they're biting. How the old camera angle works here. Yeah, usually from that place we get some big old shrimp.
Fish on!
Fish on! Fish off! Some damn bait snatchers.
I don't know, he took it under pretty good.
Get him, Skylar. Let's see what that is out there snatching the baits. It's a little speckled. Nice. So they all just got that one snaggle tooth in there, don't they?
Yep, just that front one.
That's weird.
It's weird, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh my.
Try to breed fish a little bit.
Skylar's on one.
Oh no.
Did he come off? No, he's still on. He's swimming to you. Keep reeling. Fish on. We're gonna double up, Skylar.
Yep. You got one going?
Yeah. Man, these are pretty little fish, whatever they are. Fish on. You get one too? This one feels a little bit better.
Yeah, this is a little better than my last one.
Yep.
Yep.
Fish on.
I didn't get them out, man. Fish on! Dad's got a hot spot over there.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, this is a pretty good one. Yeah, that's a little jack. Yep, sure is.
Fish on.
I got something else I did want to. That's a pretty little jack.
Ouch.
I got these two. Fish on. Oh, that's a little better, I think.
Yeah, you're pulling some drag there, boy.
Oh, yeah, this one's quite a bit better.
Good, let's see what you got. Maybe some grouper come up in
I
here.
didn't even get a red. Oh, baby.
Well, it looks like the same stuff.
No, this is bigger. It's something different.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
nice.
bigger fish. Yeah, there you go. Now you're talking.
Nice.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's a snapper there, boys. Hell yeah.
I got you that time, boy. Got you that time. Something different there.
Oh, it's a jack. Isn't it, Dad?
Doesn't look like no jack. Looks like something a little bit different.
Yep. Fish on.
Fish on. Fish sandwiches for dinner.
Alright, which way is it back to lane? You guys know?
Yeah, it's alright like that way. I caught some type of old scallywags here. Barnacles.